In the labyrinth of corporate corridors, where the scent of ambition hangs heavy in the air, a man named Theodore stood tall, his determination as unyielding as the skyscrapers that surrounded him. Theodore wasn't your average office worker. He was a soul aflame, a man who knew that courage was his armor, and integrity his sword. Theodore's tale unfolded in a realm where the clatter of keyboards and the hum of fluorescent lights formed the backdrop of daily life. But amidst the monotony, there brewed a storm named Lucas. Lucas was a bull of a man, his presence overshadowing cubicles and confidence reeking from every pore. He made it his business to belittle others, to steal the spotlight of hardworking souls, leaving behind a trail of shattered self-esteem. One crisp morning, in the heart of the office's caffeine-fueled chaos, Lucas set his sights on Theodore. Theodore was a diligent worker, unassuming but steadfast, never one to seek glory but always eager to shoulder the load. Lucas saw him as an easy conquest, an underdog to trample under his bullish hooves. As the office gathered like spectators at an arena, Lucas confronted Theodore with a grin that oozed arrogance. "Theodore, what's your game? You think you can outperform me?" Theodore's response was a whisper that sliced through the tension like a well-honed blade. "I'm not here to outperform anyone. I'm here to do my work and help those around me." Laughter erupted, a chorus of mockery that could shatter glass. Lucas scoffed, a guttural sound that seemed to echo the company's very essence. "You help others? That's a good one." But Theodore's eyes held a fire that caught even Lucas off guard. He stood firm, his posture unwavering, his presence a force that refused to be dismissed. "Helping others takes more strength than putting them down," he retorted, his voice a river of calm cutting through the chaos. The laughter wavered, uncertainty creeping like a vine through the crowd. Theodore's words, simple yet profound, lingered in the air, a revelation that had the power to reshape the very dynamics of their corporate realm. Lucas, his bravado faltering, muttered something incoherent and walked away, the echo of his footsteps a retreat that bespoke defeat. Theodore's words had struck a chord, revealing a vulnerability beneath Lucas' bullish exterior. In the days that followed, Theodore's stance sent a tremor through the office, a whisper of change that fluttered through cubicles like a gust of wind. Colleagues began to find their voices, to stand up against the roar of aggression that had once ruled their domain. Theodore's story was one of a modern warrior, a man who had no need for armor and no desire for combat. He had shown that the battlefield need not be strewn with broken spirits, that courage was not measured in loudness, but in the unwavering pursuit of integrity. Theodore's legacy continued, a ripple in the corporate sea, as people found strength in unity and the power to rise above aggression. The office transformed into a space where collaboration flourished and a quiet, steadfast resolve echoed in the keystrokes and conversations of everyday work. For in Theodore's courage, they had found the guiding light to navigate the corporate maze, a lighthouse against the storm of aggression, reminding them that in an era of shadows, the quiet strength of a single soul could illuminate even the darkest corners of the business world. Thanks for listening.